In this video, I'll be showing you how to migrate your RoyalQ bot account right now, step by step. So first and first, you have to go to Play Store or Apple Store and search for RoyalQ, okay, and update your RoyalQ bot app. So mine is already updated, okay. So once you update it, you click on open to open. So immediately you open it, this message will pop up, okay. And if it doesn't pop up, there's an advertisement page right here or a flyer or banner. So you see the user migration details there, you click on it. So you can, click on start migrating directly once this interface pop up. So I'm going to click on start migrating, okay. So take note, it is very important you do the migration now, else after 7 days, which is 1 week, the RoyalQ bot, like your account, will stop functioning. The trading strategy and everything will stop functioning. So in order to make sure that everything keeps functioning perfectly, you must do the migration right now. So as you can see right here, to ensure a smooth migration, please follow the steps below in order. So there are 3 steps, okay. So the first step, very simple and straightforward. All you just have to do is to tap here, okay. I have read and agree to the updated service agreement and privacy policy. Check it, click on it, okay. So number 1 is done. Then number 2, you change your login password, which is actually optional. If you feel like to change it, you can change it, okay. If you don't feel like, you just leave it. Then the third one, rebind API. So this one could take like 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the major one, okay. So very important, and this is the major reason why you even have to do the migration. So all you have to do is to click on the rebind API right here. So I'm going to click on Bybit rebind API, okay. So what I'm going to do is to click on, is either I click on replace or bind, okay. So I'm actually going to click on bind, confirm, okay. So I'll click on send code, so confirm. Yeah, so now I can now rebind. I'm gonna click on Bybit, okay. So I'll now go back to my Bybits, okay. Same process applicable to Binance, OKS, or other crypto exchanges. So another thing is you can click on instructions right here, okay, to read the instruction or process for the binding of whatever exchange you want to use. So for Bybit, to connect it, all you just have to do is to log in your Bybit account through the website or the app. All right, so I'm gonna use the app, okay. So I'll go to my Bybit account, then I'm gonna search for API, okay. So API, so I'm gonna click on it right here. It's loading. So I'm gonna click on create an API key, okay. This is right here, create an API key. It's loading. So next thing I'm going to do is to create a new key. I'm going to click create new key. So we have 2 options. So I'm going to choose on system generated API key, okay. So next thing is to input API label name, select only IPs with permissions granted, okay. So I should click on read write. Input your API label name and check read write. Bybit. I'm just type Bybit here. Then read write. Okay, read write. So no IP restriction. So let me check. Only IPs with permission. So I'll select only IPs with permission. So if you follow the instructions, you will be able to bind the API properly. All right, scroll down the page, check spot. So with permission, I'm allowed to access the Open API and paste the IP address copied from the RoyalQ API binding page. Okay, so I'll go back and copy the IP here. Copy, then I'm gonna paste this. All right, good. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to click on Unified Trading. Unified Trading, yes. So with the Unified Trade, you can trade spot. This is spot right here. Trade. It's selected already. USD contract. That's for features. It's selected. There's nothing else again. So all I just have to do is to click on submit. So I'm gonna click on send verification code. So I've input the code and the Google Authenticator code. I'm gonna click on next step. All right. So this is the API key. Copy. Now go back to RoyalQ and paste the API key. The API secret key. I'm gonna copy, then paste. Then I'll click on send code. So a verification code will be sent to me from RoyalQ. So I'm gonna paste the code, then I'm gonna bind. So I'm gonna click on understood. So I'm gonna paste the verification code, then click on bind. So before clicking on bind, make sure you check here, click on this and click on bind. Correct. So what I'm going to do now is to unbind these other 3 exchanges. Because if I don't do that, this next button will not be highlighted and now I won't be able to continue. So I'm going to click on OKX, then unbind, confirm, and click on send code, confirm. Yeah, so now as you can see, the next button is now highlighted, so I can now click on next to continue. So the next thing now is to click on the start button. So I'm going to click on start for the migration to proceed. Yes, confirm. Migration completed.